Welcome back, Brennan Bears. I'm Thomas Myers.
And I'm Jalen, reporting from BTV Studios.
Today is Monday, September 9th, 2019.
Bears administrators will continue checking for off-campus stickers.
Let's support the volleyball program by buying a t-shirt. They have a limited amount, so it's first come, first serve. Sizes are from small to XL for $10 and XXL to XXXL for $12. See Coach Dolly for more information.
Saturday, September 14th is a cross-country UIW interventional at Live Oak City Park beginning at 8 a.m. If you can make it, go out and support your running Bears.
Bears, mark your calendars for open house. Thursday, September 19th, 6:50 p.m. to 8:35 p.m.
Homecoming Spirit Days have arrived. Today is Twinner Meme Day, Tuesday is Movie Character Disney Day, and Wednesday is Decatur Sports Day.
We continue with the Thursday as Spirit Day. We go up against the J Mustangs and remember to wear your mums, and we end Spirit Week with a Friday as Taurus or Hippie Day.
The homecoming dance with the theme Once Upon a Time is scheduled Saturday, September 14th in the cafeteria from 8 to 11 p.m. Voting for homecoming core will start this week via Google form. Also, a link will be available on Twitter at Bears_StuCo, as well as a QR code placed around the campus.
Tickets are on sale for $20 cash until this Friday, and if we like to invite a guest who does not come to Brennan, you can pick up a form at the Vice Principal's office.
Cheerleaders will host their 10th annual Cheer Clinic Saturday, September 21st, beginning at 8:30 and ending at 12 p.m. With the show for parents, the cost will be $35, which includes a t-shirt, lunch, a ticket to the game, and participation in the performance at the Taft game that evening. For more information, call Miss Cynthia Farrell at 210-398-1365 or contact any Brennan cheerleader.
Last week, Decades Pep Rally was packed. Many of you got out to cheer on our Bears to send them off as they on the Warrior Wearers. We also cheer on our Lady Bears volleyball team who took on Taft.
Finally, let's congratulate our varsity football Bears as they beat the Warren Warriors 32-14. Take a look at some highlights.
Defense, we did a great job. We held them all the way. Kind of got cheated at the end, and I
worked on the end.
Let's go!
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching up BTV Bears.
We also have a link to our Brennan website. Let's support our teams and have a great day, Bears.
I'm Thomas Myers.
And I'm Jalen, signing off for BTV. Have a fantastic day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.